So here is the metal hanger that you can personalize, and I got this product from the brand themselves to get my honest review on it, and I'm very grateful for it because I have a use for these. I'm gonna be answering some of your questions about this product. Oh, there you go, much better about this product. And basically, I haven't hanged it yet, but it does. I'm very grateful. It comes with mounting a mounting kit. So I saw a question on their product page to see if it came with supplies. Yes, it does. So you don't have to go buy anything. Just make sure you do have the tools. If you need to, yeah, you're gonna need some tools like a power drill or something. Let's see. It's good for kids because they can put their medals on here, and basically they just have it. They just put their like little, like the lanyard or whatever here, and they can put multiple different ones, and it just hangs really nicely. You can put trophies on here too. Like it's like this actually. Yes. So it'll be like this on the wall. And you can put their trophies, like little trophies, and the trophies are pretty light, so you can fit several in there on there. Especially like for children, like the trophies aren't that heavy. Um, so that's like a really nice, especially if your kid plays sports or anything of that sort, or does any like ballet, like your girl does ballet, and you can customize it to any name you want. I think there is like a character, like certain amount of characters that max out, and they have a big one, and then this is the smallest one. So I think they have a bigger version. So like I said, you can customize it to any name you want to, or forever you want, whatever you want, and you can use it for anything. It doesn't even have to be for medals. You can use it to hang other stuff, just personal items, as long as it's not too heavy. I wouldn't test out to see like the max it could hold. I'll just do like light items and then see what works from there. But like I said, it's really nice that you can put anything. You don't even have to um put a name. You can put like, I don't know, like for if you're a dog person and you have dogs, you can put their leashes on here. That's really nice. You can put their leashes, collars, and you can put like dog leashes and then put it somewhere, hang it up, and that's really nice too. So like it doesn't have to be just for medals. There's a lot of other uses if you feel like this will be nice, like to put, like I said, if you have dogs, you can put their leashes on here so you always have a place somewhere where it is, and it's a nice thing to have. And you can even like, yeah, and like take their like treats, because I know some people have treats for their pets when they go out to certain places so they can behave and stuff. So you can have like the little treats here and stuff. But other than that, like for any sport you do activity that where you can get a medal or anything for your kids, or even like for like doesn't even have to be little kids like me, middle school, high schooler. If you want to put your things on here like for things you've done, or not even like sports, like what's it called, like the math competitions as well, that would be really nice to hang for the use this for. Sorry, my words are all messed up. But overall, I would recommend this product because like I said, you can customize it. If you want to see the full customization features, I recommend you to look fully at their product page and click the personalization, and then it gives you the options from there. And yeah, it's a great product. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream, and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, I it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon on your, if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to your, if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.